Ghana Armed Forces ma Jimmy dodo. Money John Mahama ni NDC for nyina ma Jimmy dodo. Akufo ade wotena so many years. Yanye recruitment amani pa muda. Munkwa de bibia Jimmy nko.
Video we no emu eshi if we say Captain Kojo Smart, Twene Jonas, any TikTokers abe clash with his excellency the president, John Dramani Mahama. After Oma blasted defense minister, acting defense minister Ato Forsen. Interior Minister Mutaka Oma Fayano. And after Oma BTSC Ghana Armed Forces. And penny for Omo Yomo Film from Efa Enra. Independence Omu during the recruitment exercise. No. Oma be kan wadwen pa actually some penny free. Me wan chire mu no actually wadwen amame. E comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Me so say need you. Obe like if video no that my subscribe button. Snap back like notification icon for latest updates. Now be chire wadwen that amame. E comment section. Me so baso. No one for onya bi ahwe. It's a quick one. Enra and Ghana Armed Forces for ebi omapunumu for recruitment across the country. Say omo ye ne show. On say nanka sometimes ombetime the batch, ombetime in batches. Say bi an first batch mo beko na your screen mo bibia wi nanka second batch maba. But omo ye bomu once full to fly. Ema nipa couple dump him across every regional, point na enya sem kuma say baba ya sports stadium nipa bo dump him. Accra and ede drama nyina kowe eye Ewa Stadium. Eho no analyze nipa no ebun kaso to the point say there was a stampede, incidents. Ema nipa nsia omo FM to anano wo se do. Ema we ebeye arehosem. Now we say the issue is happen ya na just say program no sabi ebum tire say ankoye efi say Ghana ha nyina nipa ato forms no omo doso nipa epese ye mawura no omo doso yi. If I'm more recruitment, na say more nyina bom at once dia. Na say when say dia nipa empenifo mo guide program you know. Ankoye 18 Captain Kojo Smart, Twene Jonas, any TikTokers, omo ebuofu pa efe nipa nsia na omo enran, omo adwalai. Na attack no omo start every president so. Abetiesi the acting defense minister, Ato Forsen, omo fire no. Omo betiesi interior minister so Mutaka Mohammed. And afa omo betiesi Ghana Armed Forces and penny for we any semwa eka chire wo.
John Mahama, me chiawo, Mr. Odiewu, Mr. Abebio Elias Odiewu bibia anya kwa. Soja ni Penyah. Wo ha wo share side program we shame. Maka chire mu say Ghana for pennyfo. Aka mu nim nyansa nti mu say awrade. Ade a wo se mu ye ne badge maka ohia enipa ye mobo pa ye hiafo ye gu Ghana akola be ko school de kom be ko saa obewie na adwuma ya Asem sebe mpani nkwase omudi ye so o man Ghana mu adidi anwene o man ho aboman ye de ensabonkum ni nifa na adidi saa without no knowledge bakokuma hiafo mal to egu meboa e man kwan so na wuye because Ghana no se wunni bia Asem o ya ena we kro mu kokun wo mu di protocol na befa. Because your Mahama member be any free. Be any free, just like that.
6 people dead and many others injured in the Ghana Army recruitment. You see how the Ghanaian youth love this country, ladies and gentlemen? How people want to serve and how jobs aren't available. And for that reason, people must fight to be in the queues to be taken. Politicians must take us seriously. And how could a stampede even happen, ladies and gentlemen, when soldiers, whom we acknowledge to be the most disciplined in Ghana, are in control? How did this happen? Somebody must be held accountable.
Ibu Mahama! Honorable Reverend, Honorable Intim Fojo, Mr. Hunukai says senior officers for no more pamu mu free military muno. We inexperience na na do penso mo kon batch ni we you mo ayako mo qualify. On the ACC. Ipanyale kwako. Ipanyale kwako. Ma former.
Yes, John Mahama akum enipa maku 6 because of soldier recruitment. Omoye. John Mahama, yes, welcome a Ghana for a maku 6. What they soldier recruitment. And bibinia jimias aboa no ye soldier recruitment me hu ye enka monya mwa eno an se soldier recruitment ni ye no sports stadium a ya se ye the forms aba online wa beto forms no udru ha gate na no ni scan o forms nti form na wato no online no what ya see ana wakoto post office wakoto baby ukwa woto forms na wakonwa obetena so seat number ekura wo tinya fe na oni obi akopre akonwa ho nti automatically ubedru no na o seat number aye ready nti ukodru ya no watina se boko anya fe na wakodru sports stadium hono na madane nkukoma na ebi tie bi so na ebi huri tia obi so na ebi huri gina ebi kon na ebi huri because mpanifo na jimi Ghana Armed Forces ma jimi dodo moni John Mahama ni NDC fo nyina ma jimi dodo akufo ade motena so many years ya anye recruitment amani pa nguda munkwa de bibia jimi nko ama mimie na pampam na munhu blue sky no munhu blue sky ni Ghana Armed Forces musia nyansa yesi amakunkofo makwa sojafo emu fo mu adwoma mantua muka odisika no koma enu ase obi akwase mpanyini madina tema ase nkobesua nyansa odisika kom Middle East ekohwe Middle East fo na Ghana ni ete wo kom de no onye aduani ni onye adwuma anya wo nipa buobu fa so because of soldier obi ampe soldier wo but what Ghana no owu nti ese okone saa first no na munyimi Ghana politician munya mwa no na soja ye pa nkofu acho ne ma omko ene won se obi a chese obona fum kura on sore obi atuo kura de ma na oto a obekukuru na to wiem ono kura ko stadium obi kope de okope soja adwuma ni bi akoye why because mo mie opportunity bia ma obi a wo man no jomama jimifo eti jomama wo ni amechia no sa wo jimi no beja no wejai udisika ekọ Middle East akohwe Gaza fo ne Palestine fo mo kontokwa because wa jimi ko yebroche nti se Ghana nipa soja keke kura disi yekowu no abrochie oba soja no ye power chew ni the forms amount ni aka kire o se form na wa fele no before se umre soja no nko ano automatically ye be ma ofie fie na ade ma no ye ma 30 years for tua no interest free loan me friend military loan and sana uma me o papa wabusuani bia ekotoka benefit ya edaso because ye be mano a military family member benefit okotoka se bia ka na ye yetimi wifi $5,000 free so what I say ansana into uba America we ye call ope bibia akọ ebisa se wo abusuani bi o military oka se pen eno an benefit ya wabusuani chese wo abusuani ba akọ nipa ba akọ pe na akọ soja obi a benefit okro no mu ti se Ghana jomama jimi for time sika no de akoma Sudan for so mo bre na kwasia Ghana ni omra nko sports stadium akohiri akokumane kwa akọwo from because of pesoja abeye aboa no atam sika no de duru Sudan no wia no asa ne mana omo afiafin oni Ibrahim Mahama ne mana nkwasiafo ntafo ajimi fo no ma sese sika no no mo de akototo cars expensive cars no mo de show off na oman ni nyina ebre kwasiasa no kwasiasa ati se dwomama na oman ni nyina ebre on ni chimi abra wo abeka si yento abama na be 24-hour economy nti anya hwe no kasa amire no wa start ye 24-hour economy no wenye ska mfa nkoma Sudan ni jimifo Sudan ni aboa one koto abama o dwomama wenye jimi adakọ mesube ku afiri ase o obi antimi kasa o NDC for mo krama Kevin Taylor mema America lawyer for akọ Twene Jonas ne kwasia enemy fire mo wonzu aba forward David oye me masem me ye ni se kame kuno America ha obi antimi kasa kame kuno flat Wasi America bro fu nyina me nkra ne omo meku akwa no bi entime mo wa America.
Abusia, breaking news. Ghana Web reported say Ghana Army recruitment in Omoye no enipa be 6 ewu. Me report am so me wo HS enipa be 12 ewu, which is not confirmed, but the sources from Ghana Web. Abusia, send some way no kra mo mientie nie. This is in someone that be a ka aya no biti pebia. Sabi and someone mo kan ne say mo ndo Ghana. And someone mo kan say mo de mo to point mo dwene say Ghana your phone. There be Ghana your phone da. Eya broni be ye. It is sabiti mamu for bre. Share that me can video be say Ghana Army joining the Ghana Army is paying bribe for your own death. Most of the times that is how it looks like. Share any past 6 Stampede. Why? Because of a poor recruitment system, a corrupt system. A corrupt system. She nipa bottom him. A good baby recruitment. Come on, Accra nkwandi no. Kumasi mai, tamale mai. Obi afoka free tamale aba. Abrochire ntesa. Obi be catch us me mfa abrochire ntoto Ghana. But what ho? Ukra iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 17 Pro Max. You want to live the life of Obi oti abrochire. Ope kwan papa nante. Yakoka mo se Ghana nyini ye Ghana was 68 years. Na o papa di 68 years bicycle tie kwa we ni bia papa bobra wa mobra kanokura ntiro papa. Ebusia ena nwumre meba ya beka recruitment no Asem na wote ho a wosika asempa efa Ghana ho ade na mo ye ne nye papa ben ye koka wom ene obi akoto phones 200 cedis 300 cedis wakotua braba me ya endoso ama na okogina ho Stampede say ye no kura wo paying for your own death ebi na atono paying for your own debt ebi na atono. Why?
The same book no say for the lack of knowledge my people perish. Nimdia me manfo ninti wobre. Eti yes na ye di na kire ye nimdia na di akire. Won sorry putupuru nkasa ye Kristoni. Now the jimi nam. What me sorry akasa me ye Muslim me di Muhammad e chinti me di jimi na nam. There be knowledge. Na supply. Ye wie baby on by exit na. Na ya ma card. You have a number. If it's not a card, you have a number. You have an entry biodata, exit biodata. Na ye ni wawie. Etu bedru fie no. Na se ya fawa. Na wahu. Ya mfawa. Na wahu. Wo ho son na wo ko. Etu betu kura kosi wo girl. Obetu kura kosi wo ba. Betu kura de wo yere ko. Betu kura de wo kuna ko. Boko. Ya yen sa o. And someone make me try. But everybody they say that too sensitive when they say call Ghana forces. And maybe I'm trusting where they as I say call AU Security Council. Me fun ya me tell you. Where they I say call national security. I find a school in Bobo no to take it to them. Masa, and you want to cast on radio on TV so say a security expert, obi a security expert we who don't dog. We Dr. Kwesi Ninom. We something Boateng. We Dr. Norman. Oh, I don't know. Some are more dinner we good and yes I may catch us a win be. But I'm talking about the few ones that I know. What I can you know, we are political security inclined people. Our hub or your diplomatic security person. Diplomacy and on a level of security. Anyway, you say, oh, yeah, what for all we are near boy Samama. Nipano only this training. And to be put in Kase Mukura answer, which me have a year officer. No we pra abaya yo to way but lady way on your soldier ni okay we so girl no catch and me draw say if you see girl we won't see on your soldier ni so your soldier ni you prepare you see your bibia insecurity from mental bibi mental capacity and so prepare nipa no na dream there should be a mental capacity. Psychologically, you groom the person for about 3 weeks. Who prepare ni panading Say hey, ubetimi anu moja. Umame or your tamfo, there's a way you dogmatize the person after say we go through the selection process now where you groom the person. You woman not drain by to say or no or you ream nipa. Yeah, man, yes, I do we no prayer quantum fee, no prayer I can say won't qualify, yeah, because we're pra. Yes, sir. I met an American military officer. Oh, Florida, Tampa. Baby America for dispatch woman soldier for Kokono. Okota America, Tampa. One of the more largest Air Force base was a department base. One of the dispatch woman soldier for woman Kokono. Oh, baby, ah, Nana for 40 na kutatu. And I'm saying, I don't know the one kutatu. I say, I'm not here for sound. I'm here for insane strategy. Tell you, yes, Odim 202, Odim 202. But as well, say, I am not here for sound and noise. My colleagues are here for sound and noise. But I am here for sane strategy. So my responsibility is not to hold a weapon. That is why there's somebody holding a weapon protecting me. So it could be normal. So be a soldier ni wo di 2 months on tutu don hihya on tumi tutu nhihye obi a post ni wo di 2 months on tutu don hihya on tumi tutu normal, because in this age we are not dealing with sound and physical weapons, we are dealing with hybrid warfare.
Ubet ma chere wa adwen amame e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.